This is tutorial number 5. We already talked in the last tutorial about the rectangle tools and line profile. And now it is time to talk about an important tool, the dimension, which is required in all of your sketches. So now let's choose the dimensions, add some dimensions to this profile. You can do constraint define in this dialog box. Here you can see the constraint which are found, and to add a dimension we can just choose the constraint tool. Here, as you can see, you can add dimensions. You can change it to 180, and again to the constraint, add diameter or a radius for this circle. Let's add 50. If you notice on the profile here, you can see the H, which is a relation to this line, means the line is horizontal. So now let's continue adding more dimensions. Let's add dimension to this arc. Let's make it 40. Also, we can add some angles. Let's choose the constraint. It's already activated, so let's choose this line and this line and add some angle. Double click on it and let's add an angle of 170. And we already made a dimension for this arc. Let's try to make another dimension here and see what's happened. You notice the arc turned into purple. That means there is no need for this dimension, or the profile is over defined. So it's kind of, and here if you change that dimension, is not applied to the profile, so we just delete this dimension, right click and delete.